I sincerely thank you all. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. I want to take a moment and recognize the two sponsors of my YouTube channel, CMR Products and Iron Planet Hobbies. CMR Products has designed and developed several in-house brands and are continually creating new items. CMR Products just released Slickerin Synthetic Model Oil. Please check out their products at cmrproducts.com and use the discount code HUMAN for 7% off their in-house brands. Iron Planet Hobbies is the retail side and importer for Digikais as well as Wi-Fi tracks, DCC for PC, and Massoth. They specialize in DCC and stock nearly 100% of Digitraks, NCE, TCS, Soundtracks, Digikais, ESU, Nix trains, as well as select products from other brands. Please visit their website at ironplanethobbies.com and use the discount code HUMAN at checkout to receive a 10% discount and free shipping in the USA. The Sidetrack Sunday crew recently had a contest and gave away our 2020 train car. In addition to the giveaway, Jason the Train Freak also put decals on an ACF 5250 hopper and end scale for myself, as well as one for all of the members of the STS train crew. When I received the box that was supposed to contain my STS end scale car, the box was a lot bigger than expected. I was asked by Jason the Train Freak not to open the box until his live stream on October 18th. I thought they were pranking me. Shannon from Back on Track was involved in the unboxing and kept posting this countdown timer. Due to our joking around, I was totally expecting that they had bought me a wig. What happened next was something that I could never have expected. Here's an edited version of the unboxing from Jason the Train Freak's live stream, and then immediately following there will be a short edit of running trains from my Friday, October 23rd live stream.
Now it's going to be Heath's turn, so that way I can get all these balls and stuff put back up. I'm going to let Heath go ahead and unbox his goodies. Oh, we got someone else that joined in. How about that?
Oh, no. So, Jason, I got a fun story for you.
Okay, go for it.
My dad went to dinner tonight in the backyard of some friend's house, and he was wearing my mask, my logo on a mask.
Yeah.
And some of his friends recognized the mask. Apparently, they've been following me on YouTube.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so
So I'm going to tell you, be very, very careful when opening that.
But I can start now.
Yes,
you can start.
You can start.
I'm just here just so I can have a laugh.
Do I need to remove the dog from the area? Is something going to jump out that'll scare the dog?
No, nothing will jump out that'll scare the dog. Now make sure you're opening the top side, and not the bottom side.
I'm opening the side that used to have the labels on it.
Okay, then you're opening the right side. So I've got Shannon in here because this was actually Shannon's idea. And I just kind of helped facilitate it.
Does everyone understand what I was expecting in here?
Yes. And that's in there.
But I'm saying, does everyone in the chat understand what's in here?
So the STS crew decided to, make our own STS cars, and the road reporting marks are going to be STS and then a 6-digit number, which is to represent our first live stream as the expanded Sidetrack Sunday crew. So I can't remember exactly what your 6-digit number is, but oh yeah, there's a piece of paper there you got to read.
First thing on the agenda, besides reading this letter out loud to everyone, we would like to mention that you need to follow these instructions very carefully while everyone is watching. So should I read this first, or should I, when I get to each number, do what it says?
Do what it says.
Okay. Open the brown box and show off what you have inside. So I'm assuming, thank you for leaving me the leftover roll of tape. I really appreciate that.
Oh my God.
I used it to kind of help stabilize the extra boxes in there.
Yeah, I noticed. Thanks.
Oh God, he's in for some fun now.
Yeah. Now be careful, you don't want to cut what's in there.
Ah, peanuts. I'll send these off to Sparky. I hear he likes these.
Oh, see, you shouldn't have cut the top of that big box. You could just sent the empty box to Sparky.
There we go. There it is, folks. Oh, I guess that's upside down that way.
Yep. And I made sure that it showed your
I like
logo.
My
on your-
logo on top. I like it. I like
Yeah.
it.
All right, now read number 2 out loud.
All right. So next thing is open the blue box. I'm assuming this wonderful packing job would make up the blue box.
Yeah. Well, just wait till you get to the black box.
Ah, look, there's more peanuts. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's got to have peanuts.
Ooh, nice. It's a Jersey Central Lines boxcar. Little
Yep.
CNJ boxcar.
Yeah.
Let's
Now
see
you
if we
see
see
what's
that.
over on the other side of it, right? We figured Lady Liberty,
Yeah.
New York City. I thought you would like
Yeah.
that.
Nice. It's so funny seeing the difference in size between the two cars.
Yeah. 40-foot boxcar and a ACF 5250.
All right. Attempt to open the black box without a sharp object, such as a knife or scissors, and show off what you have inside, and let us know how you're enjoying the unboxing process.
You got to do this on camera.
Now, Jason, how many rolls did you use again?
1.
And what kind of tape was it again?
This is
Gorilla
Gorilla duct
tape.
tape. Yeah, Gorilla duct tape. So I will let you know there is a group of us that went in together on this,
Okay.
and it's actually in that letter further on. It should be in the
Oh,
letter.
okay. It should be in the letter. Who wrote the letter?
Shannon wrote the letter, but I kind of had to edit it.
Added a little.
You had to translate it into English?
Yeah. It's like everybody's here in suspense in the chat.
There are 42 people right now watching me rip Gorilla tape off of a cardboard box. I hope this box isn't important.
No, it's not.
Oh, more packing peanuts.
Yeah, how about that?
Oh, wow. Oh, is this why you keep asking me if I want this engine?
Yeah.
Wow.
You recognize it, right?
Right away, yeah. I can't believe with ESU lock sound. Wow.
So
I'm trying to open it so other people can see it too.
Yeah, I didn't go that well. I did go that far with it. I did open it just to show the group that hey, I did get it. Hey, Barnabas Junction's in here. My fellow Jason from the other side of the pond. How about that?
Wow, I can't believe you got this for me.
Well, it
Well, you
wasn't
and the
just
group.
me.
Well, you in the group.
Yeah. How about this? Open it up, show it off, and then finish reading the letter.
Yeah.
This
So
ain't
that
no joke.
Yeah.
Did you install the decoder or did it come
No,
with it?
it's
Oh,
it
installed
come
by
with-
Kato?
Yeah, it's installed by Kato.
Wow.
Pre-installed.
Holy cow.
So that and the box car came from the hobby shop, Arkansas Traveler Hobbies, out of everybody's favorite town, Bald Knob, Arkansas.
This thing is crazy good looking. Like I've only seen pictures of it.
He's got the 4141 that's got Loc sound already installed, and he's got a DC version of the 1982, which is the Mopac unit.
There's a consist right there for you.
Yep. There you go.
Hmm.
All
Now,
right.
who's reading the letter?
Yep. Continue reading the letter.
Okay. I'm sure you can guess who came up with the practical joke, but aside from that, there are a few of us that are responsible for this. As far as I'm personally aware, you weren't very big in the community until recently. My guess, and I think a few of us will agree, is after you started polishing that head of yours, it's shown like a beacon signaling all of us YouTube model railroaders to come check out who you are. But with that, thanks to the World Wide Web, you've become a good friend of ours, and as a congratulations on your achievement of having a fully running layout, we present to you with this gift. After discussing and getting a few others involved, we all felt that this was something worth doing. We appreciate your friendship, and we hope you enjoy many more miserable years of that to come. Congrats and enjoy. Jason the Frame Treek, John from Schuylkill River Valley, Ray Boble, Brian and Mike from Cross Anchors, Claude from Cowboy and Timberline Railroad, and Shannon Tapia. P.S. Yes, Shannon wrote all of this nonsense on everyone's behalf, so if it doesn't make any sense, just deal with it. Wow. Wow. Well, but to me, what's amazing, though, is like all that detail in an N-scale locomotive.
Yeah.
I mean, that's amazing. Thank you all so much. Wow.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Wow.
Thanks for being a, help to all of us. A lot of times, we need things behind the scenes. You're always there to help. So we really appreciate that. But I know you mentioned the 1943 on your
this was one that was absolutely on my list.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
really, I mean, you can't tell, like the American flag, the details in it on this thing.
Oh, it's insane.
I've
seen it in person. I know it's wicked. Yeah.
Did you test it and address it? Did you put this in, or did
it's factory that way?
Well done, Hayes. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, everyone. This is not what I was expecting in the box. Not at all. I really thought you were going to get me a wig or a beard or something.
Yeah.
Container Man. See, Container Man, that's what I was expecting was coming, was a wig in the box for me. This is not what I was expecting at all. And now I want to take a moment to thank all of my supporters on both Patreon and those that purchase items from my Teespring store. If you would like to find more information about supporting this channel, all of the links are in the description below. Thank you, Jason the Train Freak, John from Schuylkill River Valley, Ray Boble, Brian and Mike from Crossed Anchors Railroads, Claude from Cowboy and Timberland Junction Railroad, and Shannon Tapia from Back on Track. And thank you to everyone in the community. I am what I am because of who we all are. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.